Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Opinions and Advice. My name is Hemasundar and today I am here to give advice to our AP CM, CM Jagan Mohan Reddy. And for from last year, he has been giving an idea that he wants a three capital philosophy he was giving. And there was a thing that before he got selected or elected as a CM of as a new CM of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu has made whole development for the Amritsar. He has made so many plans and development, and there were so many constructions have been developed there. And as soon as Jagan Mohan Reddy has came, he has totally demolished the plan, and he is trying to go for a new ideology regarding three capital philosophy based on South Africa philosophy, that they have made a three capital, so we too want a three capital. In that way it will be beneficial. And thanks to social media and news reporters have proven that it's totally a wrong thing to have a three capital philosophy, because there South Africa itself is suffering from a three capital funda. It won't be very beneficial to our state. Okay. And there is a one thing that he wants a three capital, but the question is from where the finance will come, who will support the finance. Already due to corona and so many problems in international has made the world has to face the financial disintegration, economic disintegration world is facing right now. And if at all we are going for such nonsense philosophy of getting a three capital, is totally a worthless. I think Jagan Mohan Reddy should think before saying anything. He should have a plans, and he should make a research on whatever he is doing, and whatever previous CM has done, what are the benefits of that. And when CM Chandrababu Naidu was there, he himself was asking for a 30,000 acres for a capital, and now he is changing his ideology, he is changing his words. That doesn't suit CM. He is a young CM, which I think rarely we see after Rajiv Gandhi, I think so. So, but he is proving that a young CM is too much dangerous. This is not the way they should and that he should be doing. The advice to Jagan Mohan Reddy is that if at all you are making a three capital, this will totally affect the country, because the funds and the finance doesn't comes from the trees or from the land. Everyone works for the country, and whatever a capital has to be formed comes from the common man. It doesn't comes from the pocket of some billionaire. It is our money, and we care about that. And this is an advice to Jagan Mohan Reddy that please save Amravati. Don't damage the Amravati. Please don't damage our state, which got so much appraisals during Chandrababu Naidu and senior NTR. It has got so much attention. The world has got attention just due to Chandrababu Naidu. He was called the CEO of the state. Such was the influence at those days. Now I just ask to Jagan Mohan Reddy, is he doing a justice to that a senior of man, and to a state, to himself, to his parties? I just want to ask him that whether he is doing a justice or not. Just keep a hand on your heart, and just say, please don't do that. Save Amravati. Please don't damage our capital. Please don't damage our state. Please don't damage our India. And if at all three capitals comes, then there will be arguments. There will be so many reluctance, just because there are so many low background states are there, like Assam, Sikkim, Meghalaya, and there are so many states which are still developing, and whole country, means central government is totally focusing on those states so that they get the benefits whatever we got up to now. Andhra Pradesh has been got so much benefits before the division, and because of this politics and all, it turned out to be a mess. But just for the sake of greediness, it turned out to be a mess. Every politicians are wants their pie of money. So please don't do that, because ultimately it will cost us only, not only us, to the one who is doing. Jagan Mohan Reddy, if you are doing this, I'm sure you will face the so much destruction in your life itself. You will face so much damage in your life, and it's an advice, and it's also a warning that if at all you are doing so, you cannot survive with this. You will damage this state also, this country also. You will damage yourself also. So please don't do this. It won't be beneficial. Please don't do a politics. Just be to your service. Your service is to serve the people. Your service is not to serve your greed, your ego. Okay, so don't do this. Please save Amravati. It's a humble request to you. If at all free capital will come, then again it will affect our country, and so many states will be reelected, and because of this our state will fall down 20 years back. That means if at all three capital funda will come, there will be a reluctance for sure from other states and other parties in all over the country and all over India. Because of that, the time will get delayed, and the development, the employment which we youth needed at present, it will take around nearly 15 to 20 years to make that happen because of so many reluctance. So don't do this. Just follow it. It just needs some 500 crores or some few bucks will make Amravati to a golden city of this world. It can become a Silicon Valley of India. Please make it happen. If at all you are going for a three capital, then it will bring down our state 20 years backward. We will be like very low compared to Assam, Sikkim, and so many lower backward states. And I don't want that. Not only me, nobody wants that. So it's a humble request. Please don't do that. Please save Amravati, and save our country, and save yourself. I pray that you will be safe from corona, and also everyone should be safe. And please don't do any mafia type things. What I have been hearing in news, that there are some mafia things are going on regarding the medicines of a corona also. So if you at all you are going for your greed, then greed itself will eat you. Don't feed him. Okay, don't feed ego, don't feed greed. It will eat you for no reason. Your father has died for that reason only. Rajshekar Reddy has died out of his ego, out of his temperamental issues only. And there are a proof that even though flight specialists, weather specialists have recommended to Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy that weather is not correct, it's not good to go through helicopter, but still he was very mild to do that, and he faced his circumstances, and he himself was a corrupted person. Bringing a scholarship doesn't make you a better CM. You have to prove, you have to bring a development. Bringing a scholarship, you are making a divide and rule. I feel like there is no difference between Britishers' age and our age. Even we are like more bitter than this. You are much worse than Britishers. It means like you are like a mouse. Okay, such a politician who care for his greed and ego is like a mouse in the home. For sure the house will get shelled. So I advise to all the people who is watching this video, please share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Please give a like, please give a comment, Any suggestion you want to give, you can give me. And this is an advice to every people: stop this, stop the nonsense corruption. Libya, every Kenya, there are so many small countries, African content countries, and some other countries are facing so many terrible life just because of corruption. Stop the corruption, please. It's a humble request. It will eat us away for no reason. If at all we are working systematically, things will go very smoothly. If at all we will be against the system, for sure system will eat away, our greed will eat away, our ego will eat away for no reason. Just don't do it, okay? There's a request to all the people who are watching, who is watching right now, that stop the nonsense corruption. Stop Jagan Mohan Reddy. If Jagan Mohan Reddy is watching this, I am requesting you to stop that nonsense of 3 capital. Just spare some few bucks on that Amravati capital. It will be a brilliant, it will be a beneficial, as per what Chandrababu Naidu has said. Just don't play a playing games, okay? We are having so many expectations, okay? Democracy is used totally brutally, very negatively, okay? Whatever we are watching right now, we have so many expectations that our people, our politician, whoever we have selected, will do some great to us, will do a justice to our vote. If at all this goes like this, then I am sure people will take the votes, take the power onto their own hand, and it will crumble the country for sure. Please don't do this, okay? If at all Jagan Mohan Reddy, you, Jagan Mohan Reddy, if at all you won't stop, then I am sure that people will take the control of your government. Even though presidential rule will come, nothing can change. People will take a control of you, your government, and total democracy will get crumbled away. See, we are watching lively. We people know that corruption is happening. Okay, in Lok Sabha we see so many reluctance are happening for the development. If at all we go against, we are following the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, if at all we follow Bhagat Singh, then I am sure that politician will find their help. Okay, this is a terrible advice and a warning to all the politicians who is doing nonsense corruption and playing with the feeling of the people, with the money of the people. Please stop this nonsense. Okay, Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please save Amravati, save our country India, save the world, save the environment, save the nature, and don't waste anything. Everything is precious, so give value to everything. Thank you very much.